Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Domo detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Domo, start by navigating to the Domo website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Choose the appropriate plan that suits your needs. Fill out the required information in the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and a password. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for an activation link sent by Domo. Open the email and click on the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Domo login page. Enter your email and password to log in. You will be prompted to complete your profile setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in the necessary details. This may include selecting your company name and preferences. After completing your profile, you will reach the Domo dashboard. From here, familiarize yourself with the interface. Explore the various options available for data integration. To connect data sources, click on the Data tab in the sidebar. Select Add Data and choose your desired data integration method. Follow the prompts to connect your data source securely. Once your data is connected, you can begin creating visualizations. Navigate to the Cards section to start building reports. Select the type of card you want to create, such as a chart or graph. Drag and drop the relevant data fields into the card template. Customize your card to match your reporting needs. Once satisfied, click Save to store your card. Repeat this process to create additional cards as needed. Finally, share your insights with team members using the sharing options. Congratulations, you have successfully activated Domo and are ready to start using it effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.